Hello, Marlene. My name is Devin, and you spoke with Mary earlier today. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time for speaking with her, and then as well as watching this screencast. So really quickly, I just wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website. You can do super easy to beat out a Barrett Tree Service. As you see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google when you type in Boston Tree Service. They're ranked right here, and you guys can be there super easily as well, and as well as in this organic listing section down here. So first thing I'm gonna talk about is content. Well, the three things I'm gonna talk about is content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about is content. As we see, I have your guys' website pulled up right here. So Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages right here. You guys have roughly about 800 words of content on this front page right here. So definitely building this up can help Google rank you for that. And the reasoning behind this is because Google thinks not only is this content going to keep customers on your page longer, they believe it's going to keep them on Google longer, which allows them to make money off these ads they have here and as well as these ads they have up here. So Google's all about making money, so they're trying to find out who has the most authoritative content to put them front and center on this front page because as we know, 70% of people are doing their shopping on this front page. Not very often are they going to the second, third, let alone fourth page right here. So content is very important to Google. So getting that content on your page will definitely help you be authoritative in their eyes. So equally important to content is keywords. So keywords is what customers will be typing into Google when they're looking for services, basically. So for example, Boston Tree Service is a high volume keyword that you guys want to be ranking for. As we see, this gets 140 searches a month right here. So definitely a keyword that you guys want to be ranking for. So just throwing this keyword on your home page will actually allow Google, when they're crawling your website, to see that you guys do provide this service and they'll actually rank you for it. So it's a bunch of local keywords you guys want to be ranking for, and then just throwing those on your home page will allow Google to send that traffic to you. And also just securing your website. I know your website's not secure, but this also plays into a factor when it comes to Google. So Google's all about trust, and so having your website secure shows that you're a trustworthy website, and they'll they'll rank you a lot higher for that as well. So the second thing I want to talk to you about is called backlinks. So a backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. So, but they want to see relevant companies, so they'll give you a lot more power for using other tree companies or other contractors rather than using like a Pizza Hut sending power back to your website because Google knows you don't make pizzas for a living, so they're not going to give you very much credibility for that. So as you see, I like to use a website called Ahrefs to check this. It's a bunch of free backlink checkers out there, so you don't have to use this one. But as we see, you guys have 50 different websites that's giving you a total of 176 backlinks. So that's 176 total times KeithsTreeRemoval.com is listed in 50 different sites. And we see the amount of keywords you guys are using here as well. So if we hop over here to Barrett Tree Service, we see they have 84 different websites, giving them almost 400 backlinks right here. So, and the amount of keywords they're using as well. So, when it comes down to backlinks, we can actually come in here and we can see exactly what websites these guys are using to list their business. And I would recommend coming down this list right here and then just taking all the high authority links they're using. Like some of these are directories right here. So you just create an account and then drop a link to your website in that website. Some of these are blogs, so you just create a little blog comment, and then at the end of the comment, just drop a link back to your website. So you want to take all the high authority websites these guys are using, and then go out there and get them for yourself, and then go out and find better ones because you don't want to just tie with these guys. You want to beat them. So with those two tips, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listing section, and that's very important because, like I said, a lot of people do skip past these ads and they do skip past this map, and then they're looking right down here on this first page of this organic listing section. So if you want to be ranked right here on this GMB, the Google My Business, this has everything to do with citations, and a citation is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list your business information, such as Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, you guys have 20 different citations, so 20 total directories. Barrett Tree Service has 49 right here. So similar to backlinks, we can come in here, we can see exactly what directories these guys are using for their business, and you guys should go out there and grab all of these for your own business as well. So, and if they have 49, I would recommend going out and getting 100 to just really dominate the game. So that's basically all I have for you right here. With those 3 tips, you guys will definitely be dominating Google and just getting more traffic through your guys' website right here, which is going to give you more leads and more business. So quick recap, we just went over getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of authoritative content on this homepage right here, and then as well as locking this website up and securing it, and then also not forgetting to add in those high volume keywords that you guys want to be ranking for in your local area as well. And then we talked about backlinks, going out and grabbing these high powered backlinks that's going to drive your website, and then finding more powerful ones just to make sure that you're beating these guys right here. And then we talked about these directories, going out and getting these different directories listed for your business, and then going out and getting more, so you can really just dominate the game right there. So that's pretty much all I have for you. Again, my name is Devin, and my partner's name is Mary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to either one of us. Our cell phone number is 775-402-2885. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you.